Coming to Rise has inspired me to think more about myself when that was never a normal reaction. To be bold and give myself a seat at the table when I'm normally the supporter role, but also just behind the scene. And so it's a lot of being okay, having it be about me, but also be about a supporter role. So it was like 2 and 2 together. A takeaway that I would take away would be doing my passion so that my kids can see it and drive them to push their passion forward and constantly seek their passions because mommy's doing it too. Jenny Ray is a powerhouse. She's bold. She sees people for who they are and loves them fiercely. She's just who she is, and she just brings out what you didn't even think you had in you and brings it to light and fire. And she's just somebody that everybody wants to be around. She's one incredible woman. And it's something that you will not want to miss doing this. And that's a lot coming from me because I don't do these things. But yeah, it was absolutely mind-blowing, life-changing, all the things you could think of. It's something you need to do. Just do it. Do it.